You're not really thinking about painting lines on the warehouse floor again, are you? Safety tape for floors is what you need. Hello, I'm Dan Clark of The Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Safety tape, a.k.a. floor marking tape, is so much better than lines painted on a factory floor. Safety tape is designed to be driven on. It's for marking vehicle and people pathways, hazards, storage areas, and other places where workers should have a heads up. Install the tape properly. The tape will last longer if you do it right. Clean the floor first so the tape will stick. Remove old tape or paint. Sweep and wash the floor. Be sure not to use a citrus or chlorine-based cleaner because they can leave gook everywhere. Then let the floor dry. Apply the tape. Don't try to eyeball a straight line. Mark the floor with a chalk line. Follow the edge of that line. Don't place the tape over the chalk line. A laser line could work as well. Unroll the tape, remove a little bit of the backing, and then place the tape on the floor carefully. Repeat this process all the way down the line. Once you've laid the tape, press it, or should I say scrunch it into place. Walk the line toe to toe, and then go over it again with a tamper cart, something that weighs about 250 pounds or more. A high-low will work. The tape will need 24 hours to completely bond to the floor. Treat the tape well. It's durable, but not indestructible. Forklifts and trucks are okay on the tape, just don't break or peel out on it. Avoid turning the wheels on the tape. It could stretch. Of course, don't worry about the tape if safety is an issue. Break or turn or whatever you need to do so people don't get hurt. Clean the tape. Clean tape lasts longer and is more visible. Mop the tape just like you would the rest of the floor. During cleaning, check it out for signs of wear and tear. If some of the tape has bubbled, press it back onto the floor. If a section of the tape starts to peel, replace that small section to keep the rest of it from peeling too. If you need some of the industry's best safety tape for floors, go check out our sponsor, Creative Safety Supply. Sure, it's a shameless plug, but the product backs me up. Well, that's all for this episode. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. We are sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.